Hacker007 here. Now this is a bit of a news or update video on the status of iPhones and WhatsApp. So later down in this year, let me get to the article. WhatsApp won't work on a few iPhone models. Well, technically it is the iOS version, and as you know, there are certain iPhone models which can't update to the latest iOS. It is not supported. So users of these devices would necessarily have to force update their device or update to a newer version of an iPhone. Now, these are all elaborate schemes to, well, technically they aren't elaborate schemes because, as you know, WhatsApp continually updates and some functionalities might not be supported on the lower version of iOS. So iOS 10 and 11 will not be able to support WhatsApp in October of this year. And similarly, last year, November, Android versions running Android 4.1 did not, stop supporting WhatsApp. So it is not just on iOS side, it also happened on the Android side of things. So if you have an iPhone with version less than iOS 12, you would need to update before October if you wanted to continue using WhatsApp. Now, this is something that you should always do. You should always update your phone. Seeing that iOS technically allows for updates on majority of their phones, unlike Android, some phones can't pass a specific Android version. However, iOS supports a wide array of phones. So keep that in mind. You can update your devices to keep using WhatsApp. If you aren't updated to Android 12, which will be the new requirement for WhatsApp on iOS devices, then you surely won't be able to use WhatsApp. So update your devices, and if your device can't be updated, you'd simply have to get a new device if you wanted to continue using the feature. So you have until October 24th to decide how to handle the WhatsApp mandated iPhone upgrade. So this is basically mandatory. There is not really much you can do about it. That is basically everything with Apple. You can't really do much about anything when it comes to Apple. Their say is technically final. So this is it. This is just an update as to what is happening or what will happen later on down in this year. So if this was informative, leave a like on the video and a comment would be appreciated. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.